Are you tired of those creaky joints and achy knees holding you back? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the ultimate guide on how to alleviate joint pain through the power of nutrition. By the end of this video, you'll have the keys to unlock a world of relief. So let's jump right in. Omega-3 fatty acids, the joint superheroes. Picture this: omega-3 fatty acids are like the Avengers for your joints. Found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, as well as plant-based sources like flax seeds and chia seeds, these superheroes swoop in to fight inflammation, ensuring your joints stay nimble and pain-free. Turmeric, the golden elixir. Let's talk about turmeric, the golden elixir of joint health. Packed with curcumin, its active compound, turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory agent. Whether you sprinkle it on your meals or opt for turmeric supplements, you're giving your joints the royal treatment they deserve. Leafy greens, the green powerhouses. Now, let's turn our attention to leafy greens like kale, spinach, and Swiss chard. Bursting with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, these green powerhouses not only combat inflammation, but also provide the building blocks for joint repair, ensuring your joints operate at peak performance. Berries, nature's candy for joints. Imagine berries as nature's candy for your joints. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that fight oxidative stress. By indulging in these sweet treats, you're not only satisfying your taste buds, but also protecting your joints from the wear and tear of daily life. Bone broth, nourishment from within. Let's simmer down for a moment and talk about bone broth. It's not just a comforting soup, it's a nourishing elixir for your joints. Packed with collagen and amino acids, homemade bone broth provides the essential nutrients your joints need to maintain integrity and soothe discomfort. Protein power, lean and clean. Time to talk protein power. Opt for lean sources like chicken, turkey, and tofu. Why? Because building strong muscles around your joints provides that extra layer of support, reducing stress on your joints and promoting overall joint health. Hydration, your joints' bestie. And now let's raise a glass to hydration. Water is your joints' bestie, keeping them well lubricated and ready for action. Throw in herbal teas and coconut water for extra hydration and nutrients, ensuring your joints stay happy and healthy. Before you dash off, share your favorite joint-friendly tips in the comments below. Found this helpful? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more wellness wisdom. Until next time, stay vibrant and keep rocking those healthy joints.